The following movie is rated R.
Yo, say what's up for the thumbnail. Fuck, I gotta hit you.
You're too close though.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. What's up, YouTube? How's it going? Welcome back to Apex Corner. Washing the M3.
Got the M3. STI is already clean. M3 is not.
Dirty.
Pretty dirty.
A lot of imperfections, but it's okay. So stay tuned. Yes, sir.
The M3 is getting the full treatment today. Also, be sure to follow PYPES Performance on YouTube. Subscribe to his channel. He's got his M3. Going to be doing mods. He's going to be going to Mexico. Going to be doing everything. So check him out. Oh, there you go. Check him out. Link is going to be left down in the description. And who knows? Maybe you'll get to see the M3 versus the STI. Alright guys, so as of right now, we're about to go meet one of my friends up at their house. It sounds like they need a little bit of help installing a certain exhaust system on their car. So you guys will see what car and what exhaust and all that yabba dabba do. Poor Patrick is struggling to get past that little mud yard that we have down there. Now we're trying to address it, guys. We are trying to address it. Just takes a lot of time.
Back to Apex Corner. We're doing exhaust clip of a 2019 Mustang GT 10-speed.
Damn, you're making my life a lot easier. Exhaust is not that bad.
Huh? Yeah.
Not that bad.
That's a lot better than what's like on the ground.
What?
Shut up.
Well, what are you doing? You can't be recording.
It's too bad, man. Well, you can't be recording.
PYPES Performance Exhaust. That's the name of the brand. Right there. What do you think of the exhaust?
I'm gonna sit inside.
What do you think of that exhaust?
It sounds really good.
Oh, look at those cars.
Where? Those cars?
There you go, it's coming out. What?
Dude, that's it. Go to like 4K.
Dude, that's loud, man.
Was it? I didn't hear.
2019 Ford Mustang GT. Going all the way to 4K. Gotta turn this down.
2004. So this is slightly an upgrade. Bumper hanging, we gotta get some bolts to screw that in.
Or zip ties.
Yeah, zip ties. Exhaust hanging, probably gonna adjust that. I mean, not probably, gonna. And then the diffuser, this part, there's some pins that have to go in. That's easy.
But the car overall is in pretty good shape.
Yeah, overall, man.
It's like, I don't think you have any like rust or anything bad.
Does it feel way better than the other?
Hell yeah, dude. Straight up. I can see why that one time I was racing that M3 Coupe Laguna Seca blue. I can see why, like, I had a hard time keeping up. I can see it now. It's a fast motherfucker. Broke my eardrum.
You should have done him last.
Yeah, because he's
Now we can. Bounce that limiter.
Alright, go ahead.
Is this a C300?
GT50.
What's up, man? What you doing?
What's up? What are you doing here?
You're in my vlog, man.
Oh,
Yeah, shit.